So who do we have here?
My name's Vicky Purwell. I work for the Centre for Challenge Prizes at Nesta.
And what do you do?
I set up the centre earlier this year, and I work with my 5 colleagues in the team to design and run challenge prizes and to help bring together lots of people who are interested in challenge prizes to help a wider set of people understand them better.
Can you say something about what a challenge prize is?
Sure. So a challenge prize is where you establish a prize, whether that's money or whether it's something else, like the promise of a contract, for example, or just great exposure, and you set a specific challenge. So you ask people to achieve, to come up with a particular type of product that's going to do something, or to achieve a particular result, for example, the biggest CO2 reduction over a certain amount of time, or a device that it makes it harder to steal bikes and that takes the longest time to steal a bike. And then that prize acts as an incentive, so people apply with any kind of idea. And so you set the goal, but you don't prescribe what it is, the solution, or who can come up with it. So you try and keep the criteria really open, and you ask for anyone who has a great idea to solve that challenge, and you give the prize based on the one that achieves the best results in relation to the challenge. And then what you can do, which we do quite a lot, is you can stage the journey towards the prize. So you maybe select the entrants who show the most potential and do some work with them, and then you select the next set of the ones out of that who show really the most potential, and you maybe give them some support, maybe a little bit of funding, and then they compete for the prize. There are lots of different ways you can design.
And are you doing something cool now?
We're doing lots of cool things.
Yeah.
So we're running 2 challenges which are at the top of my mind because we're just in the process of selecting the finalists. So one of them is working with groups who have some great ideas on how to reduce levels of isolation among older people or increase the mobility of older people in their communities. And we're also working with some groups who have fantastic ideas on how to reduce levels of waste stuff, whether it be that food, textiles, products, oil within their communities. And we are working with 25 in each of those challenges, and we've helped them shape their initial ideas into more concrete plans, and we're now selecting 5 from each who will have to demonstrate results over 6 months, and the most successful one in each challenge will win £50,000.
That's great. Thank you.